Good morning everyone. Myself Sana Fatima from Government Degree College Zahirabad. We are very much thankful to the Commissioner of Collegiate Education Srimati Devasena Madam Garo for giving us this wonderful opportunity to participate in Jignasa program, and we are also thankful to our college principal Dr. Aslam Faruqi sir for giving us the chance to represent the Department of Economics, Government Degree College Zahirabad in Jignasa event. And my team members are Ishwari, Farheen Begum, Asra Mahin and Jasmine Begum. And my topic is impact of ginger production in Zahirabad. Crop pattern. Ginger cultivation in Zahirabad area. Zahirabad, a town in the Sangareddy district of Telangana, is known for its fertile soil and favorable climate, making it an ideal location for ginger cultivation. In Zahirabad, ginger is usually planted in the month of April and May. When the soil is warm and the monsoon season is approaching, the crop is harvested after the 6 to 8 months. Ginger being cultivated in around 5,000 to 6,000 acres Zahirabad area. Ginger is typically cultivated in tropical regions with high humidity and warm temperatures. It's a labor-intensive crop that requires carefully nurturing as it's susceptible to disease and pests. India is one of the largest producers of ginger, accounting the over 30% of global production. Here are some of the most common types of ginger cultivated in Zahirabad. Number 1 is Mahima. Number 2 is Desi. Number 3 is Maran and Regodi. These two types of gingers are the hybrid ginger. Government regulations and license. Obtain an IPC Import-Export Code from the Directorate General of Foreign Trade. Register with the Spices Board of India, a government agency responsible for promoting and regulating spices export. Export procedure: ginger sources. Procedure: high quality ginger from local farmers or suppliers. Cleaning for processing: clean, dry and process the ginger according to international standards. Tagging and labeling: pack the ginger in export worthy packaging. Insurance: properly label and banding. Inspections and certification: obtain necessary certifications from coordination inspections agencies such as the Spices Board of India. Export documentation: prepare and certain required documents including commercial invoices, packing list and billings, and landing. Customers clearing: clear customers and obtain the necessary permit for exports. Employment. Ginger cultivation creates employment opportunities in Zahirabad area. There are two types employment in ginger cultivation. One is direct employment. First is farmers. Many farmers in Zahirabad area cultivating ginger, providing employment for themselves and their families. In Zahirabad area, mostly ginger cultivated areas are Bilalpur, Machireddipalli, Kohir and Rajanalli, Pichargadi. Approximately 15,000 to 20,000 people are cultivating ginger. Agriculture laborers. Ginger cultivation requires laborers for tasks like planting, weeding and harvesting, creating jobs for agricultural laborers. Nearly 50 laborers required for ginger cultivation per hectare. employment. Transportation. Ginger is transported from Zahirabad to Hyderabad, Warangal, Godavari, Khanni, creating jobs for truck drivers, helpers and logistics personnel. Approximately 20,000 to 30,000 agricultural laborers are employed in cultivation and harvesting. Trade and commerce. Ginger traders, wholesalers and retailers in Zahirabad employ people for tasks like procurement, sales and marketing. The ginger trade and commerce sector employs around 5,000 to 10,000 people in Zahirabad. Processing and value addition. Ginger processing units in Zahirabad employ people for tasks like cleaning, slicing and packaging ginger for export domestic consumption. The ginger processing and value addition sector employs around 2,000 to 5,000 people in Zahirabad area.
Medicinal uses of benefits of ginger. The first one is ginger helps to prevent or treat nausea and vomiting caused by cancer chemotherapy. Ginger is also helps to treat mild stomach upset. Ginger is also effective in fighting germs. Ginger keeps your mouth fresh and healthy. Ginger helps to calm nausea. Ginger is also helps to soothe sore muscles. Ginger helps to ease arthritis symptoms. Ginger helps to curb cancer growth. Ginger is also helpful for low blood sugar diabetes. Last but not the least, ginger is very helpful to ease periods pain.
Marketing of ginger and export destination of ginger. Ginger is being marketed in two ways. Domestic ginger is being supplied to the places like Hyderabad. 70% of ginger from Zahirabad to Hyderabad. State like marketing Nagpur, Maharashtra, Nagpur, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Impact ginger from Zahirabad. Foreign countries. Ginger is being exported to countries like Sri Lanka, Burma and other countries in the world. Thank you so much. Conclusion. A minimum support price should be fixed by the government for ginger as it is fixed for rice and wheat. The facilities of cold storage should be made available to store the products. And numerous health benefits of ginger and culinary applications, economic importance. This project aims to explore the multifaceted aspects of ginger, including its cultivation, nutritional properties, medicinal uses and marketing potential. Thank you to all.